Shiftall is a relatively new company based out of Tokyo, Japan, who is involved in various lifestyle goods from wearable technology, Bluetooth headsets, and even virtual reality related products. However, buried in their lineup is one fairly interesting piece of e-ink technology, the Crow-Kee. The Crow-Kee by Shiftall is an all-new product utilizing an e-paper screen that has some interesting features. And by far the most interesting thing about this unit is the fact that it is made from a real piece of natural wood. And so is the pen. So much that when you hold it in your hands, the heft is immediately apparent. Which means, by that logic, there are no two Crow-Kees that will look exactly identical. Its simplicity doesn't stop there. It's a resistive screen, meaning there's no proprietary EMR or Wacom layer of any kind, so you can use any pen that has a pointed surface on the screen itself, as well as your finger. Unfortunately, it features a micro USB on the side for some reason, covered by a little rubber door. The pen itself has a magnet snap to the top of the unit, and it looks absolutely phenomenal. How this unit works is that it offers instant messaging between other Crow-Kee units and even smartphones with the Crow-Kee app installed. You simply write something on the device, upload it to the timeline, and it shows up on all connected units. You could have multiple Crow-Kees in different rooms of your house and still transmit information to and from, yes, in both directions. You can even share images, for example. Upload an image from your phone and send it to the Crow-Kee instantly, as the resolution is more than enough to handle simple imagery. And if you're wondering, yes, you can share passages and even entire pages of ebooks and send them to the unit wirelessly. Its options are incredibly simple, as well as featuring minimal selections with little to no learning curve. However, that simplicity does hold it back a little bit, as you only get 2 pens, a back button, an eraser, and a delete. Because of the resistive touch like a Nintendo DS, it does not work the same as a traditional capacitive touch like a smartphone, therefore pressure sensitivity is not possible. This device could easily be considered a one-trick pony, and that's because it is. It's not trying to be anything that it's not. It doesn't have customizable backgrounds, it doesn't have anything else like web browsers, audio, and features that get in the way and weigh it down. Shiftall is kind of like King Jim, in that they have various lifestyle products and just so happen to have one e-ink related device in their lineup. The Crow-Kee is not going to change the game when it comes to e-ink products, and it probably won't win any awards, but it is interesting to see more and more companies adapting e-ink in different ways almost every day. From bus bench ads to smartwatches, thermometers, home remotes, and even computer monitors, it doesn't seem that e-ink is slowing down anytime soon, and the Crow-Kee is just another piece of evidence to support this amazing industry. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.